Another use of algebra is when we are given an equation which contains a letter and we are asked to find the values that the letter represents. Find the value that the letter represents. If, for example, we are given the equation x plus 5 is 8, we need to know what x can be so that when 5 is added to it, the total is 8. This is clearly 3 because 3 plus 5 is 8. So we say x is equal to 3. Solve the equation 9 plus x is 20. Again, it is not difficult to see that x is 11 because 9 plus 11 is 20. Notice in these two examples that we can get the answer by taking the number next to the x, taking the number next to the x from the number on the other side of the equals sign. Solve x plus 39 is 70. So to solve this equation, we just take 39 from 70. So x is equal to 31. Solve x minus 7 is 8. This says that when 7 is subtracted from a number, we get 8. What's the number? We get x is equal to 15 as 15 minus 7 is 8. Notice again that we can get the answer easily, this time by adding the 7 to the 8. Solve x minus 13 is 30. We find x is 43. So for equations like x plus 6 is 7 or 6 plus x is 7, we take the number on the left from the number on the right. And for equations like x minus 6 is 7, we add the number on the left to the number on the right. Where something is added to the x term, subtract. Where something is subtracted from the x term, add. 3x is 15. Solve 3x is 15. This equation says that 3 times a number is 15. So the answer is clearly 5 as 3 5s make 15. So we write x is 5. Solve 7x is 28. X is 4 because 7 4s make 28. Again notice that the easy way to get the answer is to divide the number on the right by the number on the left. 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 28 divided by 7 is 4. And if x is divided by a number, we would expect to multiply. Solve x over 3 is 7. So x must be 3 times 7 and x is 21. We can see this is right because 21 over 3 is 7. X over 23 is 30. As 23 times 30 is 690, we can say that x is 690.
So sometimes 2 or more applications of the formula are needed. To solve 2x plus 3 is equal to 13, we see what x is here. A number is doubled and 3 is added and the result is 13. We can first take 3 from both sides of the equation. This will give us 2x is equal to 10. Then we can see that x is equal to 5 and this is the answer. To check, 2 times 5 plus 3 is equal to 13. So it is correct. Now there are two steps here. First, the plus 3 says that we subtract 3 from 13 to get 10. And then the 2x says that we divide 10 by 2. To solve 5x minus 4 is equal to 36, we first add 4 to 36 to get 40. Then we divide 40 by 5 to get 8. So x is equal to 8. Now we can check this is right because 5 times 8 minus 4 is equal to 36. So if we like, we can write all these steps like this. But we should also be able to get the answer right away. So to solve x over 7 plus 3 is equal to 5, here we take 3 from 5 to get 2. Then we multiply 2 by 7. So x is equal to 14. To solve 2x over 3 is equal to 4, multiply 3 by 4 to get 12. Then 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6. And here x minus 3 whole over 4 is equal to 5. Because all the left side is divided by 4, we begin by multiplying 5 by 4. Then we add 3 to the result, giving x is equal to 23. We solved 2x plus 3 is equal to 13. We took 3 from 13 to get x is equal to 2x is equal to 10. Then we divided 10 by 2 to get x is equal to 5. And it is useful to think of a pair of scales when solving the equations. Now here we have 2x plus 3 on the left side and 13 on the right side. Because the two sides of equation are always equal, they balance, and they will still balance if we add the same amount to each side or subtract the same amount from each side. So we take away 3 from both sides to get 2x is equal to 10, 2x on left side and 10 on right side, and they will still balance if we double each side or multiply both sides by any number or divide both sides by any number. So we divide both sides by 2 to get x is equal to 5. Now this balancing is an important principle that will make us able to solve all types of equations. Now remember, the rule is we can do anything we like to an equation as long as we do the same thing to both sides. Similarly, here we see that the left hand side is basically the addition of two things. So we remove the 3 by taking 3 from both sides. Now we have x over 7 is equal to 2. And now we see the left hand side as division, x divided by 7. So we remove the 7 by multiplying both sides by 7 to get x is equal to 14. Sometimes we need to take 3 steps to solve an equation. Now to solve 3x over 5 plus 4 is equal to 10, first notice here that the left hand side is basically the addition of two terms. So we begin with 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Now we think mentally that we have 3x over 5 is equal to 6, which is basically a division on the left side. So 6 times 5 is 30. Then mentally we see 3x is equal to 30. So 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10 and x is equal to 10. To solve 3x plus 2 whole over 4 is equal to 8. Here we see that the left hand side is actually a division. So we begin with 8 times 4 is equal to 32. Now mentally we think of 3x plus 2 is equal to 32, which is a two-step equation. So 32 minus 2 is equal to 30 and 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10. To solve 2 times 3x plus 4 is equal to 38. The bracket here tells us that 3x plus 4 is being multiplied by the number outside the bracket, which is 2. So the left hand side is a product and we begin by dividing 38 by 2. This gives us 3x plus 4 is equal to 19, which is now a two-step equation. So 19 minus 4 is equal to 15 and 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. Another method here we can do is multiply the bracket first. If 2 times 3x plus 4 is equal to 38, then 6x plus 8 is equal to 38. Now this is a two-step equation, and so 38 minus 8 is equal to 30, and x is equal to 30 divided by 6, that is 5.